What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video we are having a comparison between Xdobo X8 Plus and WKing D8. Is an outdoor portable wireless Bluetooth speaker which is kind of famous for its sound output quality and the power it delivers with the bass. Whereas we cannot deny that Xdobo X8 Plus is a newcomer in the market and have a fantastic sound output quality as well if it's compared with its predecessor, which was X8. Now this video is all about the comparison, starting with these features, following with the audio output performance, ending with the conclusion, which will telling you where you should be spending your hard-earned cash onto. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away look into the features and specifications offered by Xdobo X8 Plus. To start with, Xdobo X8 Plus come with IPX5 water rating with the total output power of 80 watts and frequency response ranging from 20 to 16 kilohertz. Come with the stereo output, supports the true wireless stereo as well. Have got a one-click equalizer preset value set in there. Support for 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. A micro SD card slot which can go up to 128 gigabytes to play music from. A USB-A output to charge up your mobile phone devices on the go, and a USB-C type input for charging the speaker. Pretty much decent option, and the build quality is not that bad at all. A very much solid and portable Bluetooth speaker from the sound quality as well as from the build, and come with the 12 hours of playtime. That's sufficient enough for any beach and pool party for sure. Now let's have a look into the features and specifications offered by WKing D8. Starting with the IPX7 water rating with the 24 hours of play time. You also have a 2 passive radiators side to side and 2 subwoofer and tweeters in the middle as well. Got a control towards the preset of equalizer setting and NFC support as well. Battery is huge, to be honest with you. Also have a support for 3.5mm auxiliary port to play music from non-Bluetooth supporting devices, USB-A output to charge up your smartphone devices, as well as a USB-C input port for charging this speaker. Now honestly speaking, it's a pretty much solid Bluetooth speaker, no doubt whatsoever with it. Now with the help of true wireless stereo support, it is phenomenal for sure. Now from the side of build quality, let me assure you one thing in here. Both speakers, WKing D8 as well as Xdobo X8 Plus, are fantastic. And now it's time to go ahead with the audio output performance, where I'll be playing some royalty-free music which will be consistent over a range of frequencies and will be playing at a different volume ranges too, to get an idea that how's the bass response at different volume ranges as well. Well, here we are in the end of this video. Now you can share your thoughts in comment section down below that which speaker has performed better. I can bet on it whoever has owned WKing D8 will tell you that this is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker without even looking into any speaker at all actually. The reason is very much simple. It's a bassy, solid Bluetooth speaker, not a lot of fuff around with it. Two options of equalizer setting. Set it to the outdoor mode or indoor mode, off you go. Simple, straightforward is that. Now, my opinion is still the same actually as well. Now, if I look into the Xdobo X8 Plus, which I've been using from last couple of days, it is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker, suitable indoors as well as the outdoor performance. The live all frequency mode on that one is fantastic, guys. It matches up all the basses as well as the vocals are so much clear, you would not believe me, to be honest with you. Now, I have compared this speaker with whatever speaker I have managed to get my hands onto within my all previous videos as well. You can check it all for yourself that this speaker is fantastic. Now, I'm going to give you a bit of contradictory result of this comparison. Now, both speakers are fantastic, no doubt whatsoever, and roughly says sold on a similar price tag as well. Xdobo X8 Plus says that they have got an 80 watt of RMS output, whereas WKing D8 says 50 watt and max out at about 70. Actually, you can achieve it. That's not bad at all. This is more speaker for the price you are paying for it. That's the point I would like to make. This is more speaker for the amount of money you are paying actually. Sometimes it gets sold about £76 or £67 or even less time to time. So I would personally go with this one, to be honest with you. That's my own personal choice. But if you're thinking that you can't manage to get hold of this speaker in your country, you can go with this one actually. It's all available all over the world, to be honest with you. Now, that will be all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you still have any more questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more too. See you then, guys. Bye for now.